And hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be telling you guys more about how to turn your HTML web page file into an application. Now this is really easy, guys, so let me quickly show you how the HTML looks. Now this is how it looks, nothing special really. Now all you have to do, guys, is you go over to your file and you rename it. You take the last part, the HTML, and turn it into HTA. Now look at that. You see what's there? Now if I change it, it will turn into an HTML application. Now it's not a web page anymore, it's more like an application now. So yeah guys, that's how you turn it into an application. And one thing that would be good to note is that it has trouble reading CSS and JavaScript. So it can't run exactly everything, but it does run the basic HTML and HTML5 files. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.